Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you where to find your Discord server link, how to change its settings, and then how to copy and share the link. So let's get started. Once you have your new server set up and ready to go, let's create a link to share with friends. From the main Discord app page, select the new server from the left-hand list. You can access the link window in one of two ways: either right-click on the server and choose Invite People, or select the drop-down next to the server's name at the top and choose it there. Before copying the link, let's take a quick look at the settings. At the bottom, you can choose if you'd like the link to never expire. By selecting this, it will be valid forever. Leaving it unchecked will cause the link to expire after 7 days. Here, you can set the link expiration and even limit the number of users who can join. You can also grant temporary membership if needed. Once you've made your choices, hit Generate a new link. Now we have a link that we can easily copy and paste into a social media post, email, or wherever you want to share it. And that's how you find, change the settings, copy, and share your Discord server link. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.